Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Yeah, not what you'd expect, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Sure, olive oil has some health benefits. But when you cook with it at high temperatures, those benefits start to disappear. In fact, cooking with olive oil at high temperatures can actually build some unhealthy compounds that can raise your risk of disease, which damage your cells and cause inflammation in your body. Cabbage is often lauded for its health benefits, and for good reason. This humble vegetable is packed with nutrients that can encourage good health. Cabbage is a low-calorie food that can help you to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Try incorporating cabbage into your diet by adding it to soups, stews, salads, or stir-fries. There's no denying that having good friends is one of the keys to a happy and fulfilling life. Good friends are there for you throughout difficult times. They make you laugh when you need it best, and they supply a shoulder to cry on when needed. Going out with friends can help you get more exercise. If you go out walking or hiking with friends, you'll not only get some fresh air and sunshine, but you'll also get your heart rate up and burn some extra calories. And if you go dancing with friends, you'll not only have an outstanding time, but you'll also get a good workout. Did you know that eating strawberries can be good for your health? Strawberries are packed with nutrients and offer a variety of health benefits. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important nutrient that helps boost the immune system and protect against infection. Not only that, but vitamin C is also necessary for the production of collagen, which is important for healthy hair and skin. Strawberries are a great addition to your daily diet.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.